welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a digital card in Scratch. So yeah, in this card you can make it for your loved ones or your friends or anyone. So in my case I'm going to make it for my mother. So yeah, let's get started.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a card for any of your loved ones or your friends. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all, we need a sprite for our card. So I'm going to be drawing a sprite right over here. So I'll make the outline a bit bigger and boom, now we got a rectangle. So you can put its X position to 0 and the Y position to 0. Now that's better. You can fill it in with any color that you like. I'm going to be filling it in with, how about yellow? Okay. Now we can give it a kind of a 3D look by making one more rectangle, and we're going to make this a bit more darker, and we are going to use this tool and put back so it goes behind our original card. Now we'll make this card a bit bigger, rectangle, and we got it. So now it looks like it's some kind of card. So you can write your wishing. So I'm gonna say happy birthday, Mom, because my mother's birthday is coming up real soon. So I'm gonna say happy birthday day. Yeah. So now you can change the font to anything you like. So I'm going to say this pixel font, and it looks very nice. So I'm going to just make it a bit more bigger. And yeah, now you can import you can choose a sprite. I'm going to say a cake. So we got cake A, and then I'm going to copy this, select it, and copy, delete this, and say paste. So now we got the cake. Now we can write whoever you're gonna wish this to. So I'm gonna say Mom. Okay, we'll move that over here. Okay, so now we got the card sprite ready, but we have one more thing to do. So we have to add one more sprite. So this is exactly the same, but it's open. So I'm going to say paint, and I'm going to make 2 papers, 2 rectangles. Use this, should be the exact same color, and we'll copy this, copy and paste. So now we have one more right over here. So now it looks like a really big rectangle. So we are going to give one more rectangle between this, but it's more darker. Okay, now we are going to center this, or can just delete these 2 and make a bigger rectangle. Yeah, so we're gonna make this a bit more darker. Yeah, right there. And then we're gonna use this, make a big rectangle. Okay, now we're gonna fill this in with the exact same color and use the select tool and make it go back. Now we have this, make this line, and there we go. So now we can write your wishing or anything you want. So I'm gonna say, you are the best. Mom. Okay. And we're actually done with it. You just like put the wishing over here, and you can add a sprite. So I'm gonna add the heart sprite. Heart. Love it, coded, love it. You can use any heart. So I'm gonna be using the heart face, or you can use the like normal heart. So I'm gonna use the heart face. Select it, copy, and paste. You can even add smaller ones. Copy, paste. I'm sorry for that. You have to copy this and then say paste over here. I'm gonna make this smaller. And then do that. Okay, now we have a smaller heart over here. You can delete this, and yeah. You can even add one more sprite. So we can search any fantasy or anything. So I'm gonna say a fairy. I'm gonna copy this and paste it over here. Done. There. So we got a fairy, and a card is almost done. So we made all of these. I'm gonna like give this an outline. Okay, and this also needs an outline, of course. So, whoops. So now we have the two sprites ready for our birthday card. Now we can start coding on it. So let's get a backdrop first. So I'm going to say the circle backdrop because it looks good. And now that we're done with that, let's get a when green flag clicked. So when green flag clicked, we want it to switch costume to costume 1. Yeah. So now when I click the green flag, it's at our first costume, which is when the card is closed. Now we are going to go and say when the sprite is clicked. You can even add some sounds. So I'm going to go and add a effect. I think bite, boing, jump, note, space, boats, wacky. So I'm gonna say, how about any type of music? Okay. So animal loops, I think. Yeah. Bossa Nova. Okay, we're gonna use this. When this sprite is clicked, switch costume 2, and we're gonna start a sound. So until done. Now we're actually done with it. You can even change the background a bit. So I think this heart background is better. Yeah. So yeah, we got it. Yeah, so that's how to make a card in Scratch under 10 minutes. So yeah, that's it for today. Meet you in the next video. And I think I can play around with this.